In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This guide is updated for 2026 and will walk you through the full process inside Coinbase so you can confidently place your first Bitcoin trade. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future crypto tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Coinbase on your web browser or mobile app and log in to your account. Make sure your account is fully verified and funded before continuing, because you'll need available funds to buy Bitcoin. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu and click on Spot. The Spot section is where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly at current market prices or using custom order types. Inside the Spot trading page, you'll see a list of trading pairs. Go to the search bar and choose your trading pair. In this example, I'm selecting BTC/USDT, which means you're buying Bitcoin using USDT. Once you click on the BTC/USDT pair, the trading interface will load, showing the price chart, order book, and the buy and sell panel. Now, on the right side of the screen, make sure you're on the Buy tab. This is where you'll place your order. The next step is choosing your order type, and this part is very important. Coinbase gives you a few different order options. First is a market order. A market order buys Bitcoin instantly at the current market price. This is the easiest and fastest option, and it's usually best for beginners who just want to buy Bitcoin right away without worrying about price movements. Next is a limit order. A limit order allows you to set the exact price at which you want to buy Bitcoin. Your order will only be executed if the market reaches that price. This is useful if you want to buy Bitcoin at a lower price and you're willing to wait. The third option is a stop limit order. A stop limit order is more advanced and is usually used for trading strategies. It triggers a buy order only after the price reaches a specific stop price, and then places a limit order at your chosen price. If you're new, you can safely stick with market or limit orders. After selecting your order type, choose the amount you want to buy. You can enter the amount in USDT if you want to spend a specific amount of money, or you can enter the amount in BTC if you want to buy a specific portion of Bitcoin. Coinbase will automatically calculate the conversion for you. Once you've entered the amount, click on Preview Buy Order. This step is very important because it shows you all the details of your trade. Here, you'll see the price, fees, total cost, and the amount of Bitcoin you'll receive. Take a moment to review everything carefully. If all the details look correct, go ahead and click Buy. Coinbase will process the order, and if you used a market order, the purchase will be completed almost instantly. After the order is completed, you can go to your portfolio section. Here, you'll see your Bitcoin balance updated and reflected in your account. This confirms that you've successfully bought Bitcoin on Coinbase. And that's it. You now know how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more easy crypto tutorials, and share this video with anyone who's just getting started with Bitcoin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.